What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, I have seen this article now, people, and it's where a top African brother from out of Zimbabwe, a very rich businessman who goes by the name of Ginimbi, dies in a horrific car accident, people, a couple days ago. And people, this man was a man who was very big, even on Instagram. For many people know him of posting all the hypest cars you can think of, from Bentley to Rolls Royce to Ferrari. He has all of those car, people. But now, people, this man has gone away at just 36 years old. So first of all, before I say anything more, people, I just want to read this thing about this man, Ginimbi. You understand? So everybody can get a full understanding who this man was and what really happened. Popular Zimbabwean millionaire businessman Ginimbi dies in car horrific accident. Zimbabwe socialite and businessman genius Kandungore, better known as Ginimbi, has passed on. Ginimbi, 36, died in the early hours of Sunday morning after suffering a devastating head-on collision accident with an incoming vehicle that burst into flames upon impact threw his body out of his Bentley, killing him instantly. Jaja. He died along with 3 other friends, Elisha, Karim, and Moana, all of whom were just coming back from celebrating Moana's birthday party. Moments before his death, Gimbini posted on his Instagram account that he was going to party up a storm. He said, "Guys, it's time to go out. It's gonna be going down. We are going to Dreams nightclub in the next few minutes. It's gonna be going down. It's Moana's birthday. We are going to pop champagne. It's gonna be champagne showers. Tonight, see you there," he told his 600,000 plus followers. Jaja, people, it's life. All me can tell you this, it's life. It's life, people. It's life. According to eyewitnesses, Ginimbi's body was pulled away from the burning car, but the 3 passengers were burnt beyond recognition. After the doors of the Rolls Royce jammed on impact, the police and the fire brigade were only able to retrieve their remains from the wreckage. Ginimbi's sister, Nelia, said her brother was having fun at Dreams nightclub and had invited his other 2 friends, Karim and Elisha, to celebrate Moana's birthday. "I did not meet the 2 whom were involved in an accident with my brother. I only heard him saying he was going to Moana's party with friends. The next thing I get a phone call that my brother was involved in an accident. I am still in shock and it's scary. I arrived at the scene and saw the remains of my brother and his friends. I am hurt. We were now 4 in our family thus. My sister Juliet, myself Ginimbi, and my father Anderson. The funeral wake will be at his Dom's Shawana home," she said. Viewers and subscribers, it's sad, you know. I'm telling you, this man was a very popular man in Zimbabwe. Very, very popular man. Genius Kundungere had business interests in gas and petroleum. However, he was more popular for his luxurious lifestyle, lavish birthday parties, and acquisition of super cars. This man, people, was big because Bentley, I heard he have like 6 Bentley. You have Rolls Royce, you have Ferrari. The man have all of the top car them you can think of, people. You understand? You weren't just a normal person who maybe just have some money and thing, people. This man thing was heavy. He was big. But sad thing about it, people, he has just gone away at such a young age, 36 years old, which is really, really young. You know what I mean? There was a lot more life there for him to live. And it's sad, you know, to know that this man has lost his life. It's really sad. No joke thing about it, people. But what we all have to learn, man, on earth here, you see the vanity. And also people always say, you know, give your life to the Almighty. You know, sometimes we hear it and we take it for granted and take it for joke. But people, yo, this is a serious thing. it's no joke, me I tell you people. It's really serious. And all I can do, people, is just pray for his family. You understand? Pray and pray and pray and pray and pray and pray. Only Jah sees and know. You know what I mean? But before, what I want to do, I want to get a brief understanding of how his business thing work, people, and his network and thing. Because I know many people may say, yo, so where you get the money from? How this, how that? You understand? So let me just get a breakthrough a while ago and so. Before his demise, Ginimbi was the founder and CEO of a gas company, Pioneer Gas, which operates in Botswana, South Africa, and Zimbabwe, which today is part of the Pico Trading Group. Ginimbi was known for his extensive collection of high-end cars. Ginimbi cars including a Lamborghini, Aventador, Roadster, a Bentley, a Ferrari, Spider 6 Rolls-Royce, and a Land Rover. He has several houses including the Ginimbi house, which he put up his rural home area in Botswana and held a 3-day long party to celebrate the milestone. Based on several assets, Ginimbi owns its estimated net worth ranges from $10 million to $100 million US. So people, this man, you know what I mean, worth a lot of money. A lot. I mean, a lot of people that think so, yo, there's something behind it, because he was also being arrested, people, on certain ways and certain level. I'm just going to break that down for you too. You understand? Because I want you to get the full understanding about this man, Ginimbi. You know, he wasn't a normal person, people, to be honest. Meanwhile, according to the report from Zimbabwe local media, Ginimbi, before his demise, was facing many counts of forgery. He has just been granted $5,000 bail. He was initially arrested for undervaluing the value of his newly bought Bentley Continental GT. Initially, he was accused of avoiding duty of $58,000. He had only paid $82,250. Surprisingly, the market value of the car in question is around $202,000. Meaning, Ginimbi was asked to pay more than he actually has to. Ginimbi spent 2 weeks in jail before he being granted bail of $10,000. Ginimbi is well known for hosting lavish parties in Zimbabwe and South Africa. He hosts white parties every year where he wines and dines with other wealthy socialites such as Tasvi, Makwa, Hunker Roland, Muchigwa, among others. People, so Ginimbis, you understand? As I tell people, I always watch this man on Instagram, you know, because I love see how him show off the cars, them and thing. But I thought this man was really older than that still in the people. I never know he was just 36 years old. And to know that he has passed away so tragically, there's a lot of and there's a lot of thing where people run into people's brain. And I know this is going to be something in the comment section where people are going to say, you know what I mean, he was killed. He didn't just die like that naturally. You have to think, people. You have to think. You understand? According to what they said, he have his business, he have his oil trading business, which everybody know once in an oil, that's a big, big business, because the richest black man in the world, people, you understand, out of Africa, and this man, he has a lot of those businesses also. He's very big. What do you call him? Dangunde or something like that. This man is very big too, in oil, in several different trading business and all of that, people. But it's just sad to know that this man just gone. So, and for his funeral arrangements, I hear they said he's going to be buried at his mansion, people, because he got a big mansion. Well, and I'm telling you people, it's huge. Yeah, and you can see the picture there. That's captured from, you understand, a drone, and that's a huge mansion. And they said he's going to lay to rest on his mansion. They said he even also going to bury it with a lot of money. And they said after his passing, 2 persons got arrested for trying to take over his mansion. Yo, people serious Africa, you know. Them say people are trying to take over the mansion shortly after him passed away. But all I can tell you this, people, I have seen where a lot of African brothers, not just this first man, a lot of them people who have these money, these wealthy lifestyle, and they died tragically. They never just sick and dead. So people, a lot of them live big and them live rich. Which I now go judge him and say, he was fraud, he was thief or this and that, because I don't know people. But there is a lot of unanswered question being asked. And if you check social media, there's a lot of people making comments about this man and saying this and saying that. But all I can say, people, this man, wow, he was a role model to a lot of people. A lot. Especially for people who love high-end cars. he was a role model. And in the end, all I can say, may his soul rest in peace. And I just send out my condolences to all his family and friends and to all the other persons who was in this crash. May their soul rest in peace. Because 3 other persons lost their life tragically in this. Y'all people, all I can say, it's sad. But you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is the attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect. Be good and be great and be safe out there. Attacking boss said that. Peace out.